fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nirenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. We are in beautiful Pennsylvania, visiting Street Speed 717. We've got some pretty cool stuff in store for the day. If you guys missed the last couple of videos, Send It Steve, a friend of mine, a new friend, and a friend of Street Speed's, bought me this Volkswagen Beetle at an auction. I actually took this thing to the call-out event and ran it on the drag strip against a Porsche GT3 RS. It was absolutely hilarious. But as we promised, it is time to straight pipe the Volkswagen Beetle.
Step number one is we're gonna get out the jack here. Now this is a 3-ton jack. So
no, I think that should be enough for the Beetle. This is funny. Both me and Mike have straight piped a lot of cars. Nothing quite the caliber of this Beetle, however. So we're gonna have to get a before sound clip and then an after sound clip so you guys can really understand how good this is gonna sound. It's gonna sound so bad. See, the good news with this car is it doesn't really matter where the jacking points are, just jack it up. Yeah. Because if the bumper falls off, like, is it the end of the world? Nope.
Got this bolted to the frame, it's gotta be good.
Probably. No, you're probably right.
Falls, it falls. When you don't care about that.
Yeah, no, I don't care if it falls. As long as it doesn't damage your garage, it really doesn't matter. I definitely think it's time for the initial sound clip. What do you think?
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give that sound quality about a 1.2. We'll see what happens after the straight pipe. That'll work. One on each side.
Step one is complete. The car's up on jack stands. Now it's time to straight
Step
pipe.
2 is straight pipe. Step 3, go for a drive. It's like really simple. Step 2 actually is to remember that you have race ramps in the back and then lower the car back down and put them up onto those. Oh, rhino ramps, not race ramps.
Yeah, well.
Well, all right, Mike. Instead of driving up onto it, we're just gonna jack it up onto it.
Absolutely.
This bug is absolutely hilarious. I can't believe we actually own this thing. What on earth? That's your wheel chock right there?
Yep.
This is the oldest car that I have straight piped on my channel, so we're not actually sure if the exhaust bolts are gonna come off easily. We also don't have very much time because I have to get onto a flight in about an hour and a half. Mike put his full strength into it and snapped the bolt off, so we can't really take off the exhaust. All Mike has is this metal saw, which I don't think is gonna cut through the exhaust very well. New plan, we are taking the ZR1 to Home Depot to buy a Sawzall so we can quickly cut the exhaust off since I'm running out of time and need to catch that flight. Oh look, the ZR1 matches the color scheme of Home Depot.
Oh, that's, I didn't even think of that.
It's the perfect Home Depot car.
Comment below if Parker should get a ZR1. He likes this car, he's been driving it now for a weekend. He says he would like one, so I think you should get one.
It's also $140,000.
Yeah.
You just get one? Just go ahead and get one. We found the Sawzall. Now we just gotta find a blade that's capable of cutting through a Beetle, which probably is really easy. Do we have ones made of styrofoam or rubber? Mike decided to get this thing too. We're not quite sure why, but
I think it's gonna help with the straight.
it's gonna help with the straight pipe. We got a succulent. Perfect. Now we are ready to straight pipe. Oh, she's a beauty.
She is.
Are you reviewing the product?
Yeah.
We'll find out.
Yeah.
How good is it at cutting a Beetle apart?
Let's see. This is a great product review. I feel like this is what most people are gonna use.
Yeah, where's the brand deal, Ryobi? Come on.
Ryobi.
Come on. We got the Sawzall hooked up. We don't have safety glasses, so we're wearing sunglasses because obviously safety is important when straight piping Beetles. Here we go, boys. It's cutting like butter.
Is it?
Oh, ow. Ow, I just hurt my ear really bad.
Did you really? Let me see it. Your ear's still there.
I didn't hurt my ear at all. I thought it fell off.
Okay. Parker, you're doing great.
You want to give it a whack?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, these are terrible angles.
Yeah, it's a little bit harder than it. Well, we have cut completely through the Beetle's exhaust. We're thinking it's gonna have a massive exhaust leak now, so we're gonna start it up and see what it sounds like. Oh, it's gonna be good, it's gonna be good. That actually doesn't sound horrible. I like it. Okay, so the sound quality went from a 1.2 out of 10 to, I'd say, a 5 out of 10.
I was gonna say 6.
You're gonna go with 6?
Yeah, 6. I think that the Beetle straight pipe went really well. It sounds great.
Honestly, dude, 1, it sounds really good. 2, thanks so much for having me.
Oh,
this has been an absolute blast. I can't wait for the next call out. I think we need to do a call out event in California or something.
Oh my God, we will absolutely come.
Oh, what the fuck? I left it in neutral. Oh my God. Oh, the hood is obliterated. Oh my God, look at that.
Oh no.
Oh no. There's only one thing left to do. Now I know we didn't make it to our subscriber goal, but we want to see this Beetle have some destruction. So I think you're gonna have to drive your truck onto the Beetle.
Fair enough.
All right, I'm gonna back up the Beetle now.
Oh, the emblem.
The V12 is still there.
There's some red paint.
Really it.
And then it's like a little bit of dust, or that'll all wipe off. Keep going a little more. Oh, we got a small oil leak. Well, that is unbelievable. Literally the back of the Beetle is lifted up and the front is smashed into the ground. All right, you wanna back down? Let's go ahead and pop the hood.
Same hood release as your Lambo.
Yeah.
Actually, I'd say that. I mean,
Well, the engine's fine, but I think the radiator's broken.
yeah. But other than that, you know, I think it's not that bad.
Yeah, new hood, new radiator, boom. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. The Beetle is now dead. I had an absolute blast with this. Thanks so much to Send to Steve for getting me this car, and for Street Speed helping me out with destroying it, and for putting on that epic call out event. And I loved seeing each and every one of you guys. If you're not part of the Vehicle Virgins family yet, smash that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, because we crushed the Beetle. I look forward to seeing you next video.